how to allow CapCut access photos on iPhone. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to your settings. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just go ahead and search for CapCut, right? And I'm going to just click on it. And basically what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead to the photos. And here you're going to be able to see it is set to none. That means that CapCut will not have access to your photos. If you clicked limited access, you're going to be able to limit the photos and videos that you want to share to CapCut, basically, right? And if you want it to be full access, just allow the full access, and basically CapCut will have full access to your to your photos and videos. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to demonstrate how it's done. I'm going to just open up the CapCut, basically, right? And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just go ahead into opening the CapCut right here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just click new project. And as you can see, they will not ask my permission to have access to my photos and videos, basically, right? You're going to be able to upload a video or photo, no matter what. You can just do that right here. Okay, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.